If you own an Android device, you're probably familiar with the difficulty that comes with forgetting your passcode. While well-intentioned as a security feature, getting past it can be a bit of a pain. If all else fails, you'll need to reset your device. Fortunately, if you're the original owner of the phone, doing this is pretty straightforward with a bit of know-how. Here's what you need to do. You can reset your device without using your passcode by putting it into recovery mode. While the exact process to do this can vary from device to device, for most phones, you can do so by shutting down your phone by holding the power button, then manually restarting it by holding down the volume down and power button until either the Android or manufacturer logo flashes on screen. If this method doesn't work for you, we advise you to search for the exact procedure for your particular phone brand and model, since Android devices can differ depending on your model. That being said, while some phones boot straight into recovery mode, other models prompt you to select how to boot. To navigate on the screen, use your volume buttons to scroll up and down and your power button to select. Once recovery mode has loaded, navigate through the listed options until you see the option to factory reset your device. Use your power button to select it, and your phone should begin the factory reset process. This wipes all of your data on your phone. After it's finished, you'll be prompted to set up your device again, just as if it was fresh out of the box. By factory resetting your phone in this manner, you'll encounter Android's factory reset protection. This feature was introduced in Android 5.0 to deter thieves or other unauthorized persons from resetting and selling otherwise locked devices. You'll be asked to enter a previous lock screen code, but if you've forgotten it, there's no need to worry. You'll also be given the option to enter a Gmail address associated with an account that was previously linked to the phone. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Android and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos. We think you might enjoy.